Development projects involve the creation of software applications or integrated application systems. Software development projects are completed in-house, through outsourcing, or by a combined approach. Organizations typically manage development projects using systematic methodologies that divide large, complex tasks into smaller, more easily managed segments or phases. Traditionally, many organizations use the systems development lifecycle method to assist in developing software for use in mainframe operating environments. The SDLC provided a satisfactory method to manage the projects because the functional and security requirements of the software were limited. Functional requirements were primarily limited to transaction processing and output reporting. Security requirements were limited because of the closed environment in which mainframes operated. Typically, few individuals had access to the mainframes. Therefore, physical restrictions over mainframe terminals and logical controls over program and data libraries provided most of the system's security. Client-server systems provide significantly more users increased access to systems and data. Therefore, the need to develop software with greater functionality and stronger internal controls contributed to the development of alternative, risk-focused software development techniques. Alternative development techniques, such as spiral, iterative, and modified SDLC methodologies, involve the completion of project activities in repetitive, iterative cycles. The techniques reduce project risks by ensuring the requirements of each participant, end users, auditors, security administrators, designers, developers, system technicians, etc. are thoroughly considered during each project phase. Involving all parties during each project phase reduces the risk that organizations will not identify problems until late in a project's life cycle. The newer methodologies often employ prototyping or modeling techniques during initial project phases. Prototyping enhances users' ability to visualize how systems will look and work after the systems are installed. A process for copying data from one source to another while the application processing continues. An acknowledgement of the receipt of data at the copy location is not required for processing to continue. Consequently, the content of databases stored in alternate facilities may differ from those at the original storage site, and copies of data may not contain current information at the time of a disruption in processing as a result of the time, in fractions of a second, required to transmit the data over a communications network to the alternate facility. This technology is typically used to transfer data over greater distances than that allowed with synchronous data replication.